What's up, guys? Back with a little video update. Got some new plants going. Nothing too crazy. This one's struggling. Overwatered soil, unfortunately. This is my girlfriend's plant. You can see that she knows what she's doing. Good bushy. Got the 2x3 set up. Got temperatures on point, about 80 degrees with about 60% humidity. This is living soil. It is living soil. This one, hers reacted a lot better. I was sort of stuck on my auto ways. Planted the seed, and as I saw the roots, I planted it right away. And I should have let it grow in the cup a little bit. Should have let the roots come out a little bit. This is a photo seeds. Soil was wet, and then I proceeded to wet it even more, which then in turn stunted my growth of my plant. Other than that, it's starting to come back. Soil's still wet. Haven't watered either of these for almost 10 days. The soil's coming back on the meter, very wet on both of them. We are going to start low stress training. This one's doing great. It's amazing. It's Purple Queen, and then this one's Strawberry Cough. As you can see, it's small like a strawberry bush, but I think it'll bounce back here. It probably won't be so big. We're going to be putting this one into flowering soon. We're going to do a little bit of low stress training on it, and then we'll bend it over, get some more, and then we're gonna just flop it to flowering. I'm just gonna keep this one in here, see what happens. Fortunately, I won't make that mistake again by overwatering the soil. Looks like, other than that, it looks pretty good. The soil seems to be okay. It's starting to dry up, so hopefully it'll start bouncing back. It seems to be bouncing back already today. The soil is probably about a 5 or 6 on the moisture meter. Like I said, this is living soil, so sort of want to let it get a dry, not dry, but just a little bit of dry. But it is, like, I've stuck the meter all the way down into the soil, and both of them are still pretty wet. This one looks very good though, very good. She hasn't really done much to it, just gave it a little bit of water about 10 days ago, and then the first initial planting, and it went. Other than that, yeah, just a little update on this for you guys. Give you a little update on my worm bin as well. Got the new light, Vivo sunlight, got the fan going, temps are in range. Like I said, this one's just, I mean, maybe it was just a bad strain as well, never know, but that's the update on the tent. A little update on the last plant I was doing. Another weird strain, wasn't really wanting to bud as much, and I was keeping up on the nutrients. Unfortunately, that was in a 2x2x4, so I believe I got a little bit of light burn on that one, so it was already 14 weeks in when it should have been done in 8 weeks. So I just chopped it and dropped it. The buds are good, it smokes good, smooth. It just didn't bud up as good as my last couple plants. Outdoor plant turned out really good. Got really good results, but unfortunately I was fighting caterpillars on that, moth caterpillars, and I had to chop that one too. Plus here in Minnesota, it's getting really cold, so it's starting to get cold, so I chopped it before frost happened. And that one turned out really good. Made some butter out of that as well, and it knocks you on your ass. Barely using a little bit knocks you on your ass. So outdoor plant turned out really good. I'll be doing another outdoor plant next year once winter passes, and I'll be doing a little more updates on that as well. Also living soil. I'm trying to use a little bit of anything. I'm trying to just basically do this off of what Mother Nature does, and that's all I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to use all crazy amendments and crazy soil additives and stuff like that. I do use Build a Soil. I do use a couple of their products when I need to. But other than that, I want to try to use like 3 to 4 ingredients for all my plants. So that's a journey we're working on here on the channel. I did upgrade to fabric pots, grassroot pots. Seems to be helping a little bit. I mean, especially on this one. This one's just going. This one, I mean, we overwatered it a little bit. It stopped growing for a day or two, but it bounced right back and it's going. And like I said, this one seems to be doing all right. But that's basically the update for now. Probably get back to you in about a week, but I'll show you the worm bin next. All right, back. Got the worm bin lid off. Got the top. We'll remove this for right now, but yeah, I got some wormies up here. I haven't touched this for a while, so I just wanted to. Looks like a lot of castings. There's not much left in here on the top layer. And the worms probably all went down too. It seems to put some tomatoes in here, and those seem to be all gone. Put some bedding up here just to remove some of the moisture. But I'll show you the next bin, because the next bin is where I just added cocoa and some more scraps to it, and see what happened over the couple days. Here's the second tray. This one has got worms all over it. I sort of let it go. I sort of starved my worms. But yeah, they're all over the place. This is looking real good. Not too acidic. It's a little on the drier side, but in a couple days I'll be doing another feeding. But they seem to be doing okay in here. I have European night crawlers in here. In the long run, this will be my top dress. So I'm working on top dressing, but it does seem like they are going at it. So I'll probably give you another update in about a week and do a feeding as well. You guys can see that. Got worms all over. They like to move fast though, I've noticed. These move really fast. I don't have much time to see them. There's a bunch of worms at the bottom with some castings and stuff. Other than that, that's all I got for you this week. This is my girlfriend's little isopod terrarium. I'll give you a little update on that too. She's got to do some trimming in here and trim some stuff down, but that is also living soil as well, and the isopods seem to be doing really good on it. So, but in the long run, I want this to be my topsoil. I don't really want to use anything else. Just some water, soil, and some calcium, magnesium, and other plants should be doing real good. So I just added this like 2-3 days ago, and it already has some castings and stuff in it, it looks like. So seems to be doing good. I had a lot of mites at one point. That's why you see all this white stuff. I know the mites are good, but there was a lot of mites. So I got a good fungi build up in here too, and I did put some microbes and some kashi blend in here too, so they'll be eating that up like no tomorrow. And this top I'm gonna probably harvest soon, because seems to be a lot of castings in here. So this has been running for a couple months now, so we'll see what happens. I think I lost some worms and got it too acidic. I'm new to all this, so I'm learning as I go. Any tips and tricks are appreciated in the comments. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys this week. I'll try to update you next week. Hopefully my other plant turns around, and hopefully this continues to do good. Seems like it's got a good amount of fungi and stuff decomposing. They ate my vegetables, so that's always a good sign. And it seems like they're going to be reproducing again. I used to have a bunch of worms, but like I said, I think I messed up on some things. But it bounced back and looks good. So, like I said, any comments, concerns, tips, tricks, put them down in the comments. Thanks for watching.